Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Then again 7 multiply 7 is equal to 49. So 1 divided by 49. So 1 divided by 49 can be written as 1 upon 49. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponent, third priority is multiplication and division. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, and fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, now here is one division, here is also division, and here is multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. We have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay, so 7 multiply 7 is equal to 1. Divide 7 multiply 7. Now 1 divided by 7 can be written as 1 upon 7 multiply 7. Okay, so cancel this 7 by using 7. So our answer is 1. Okay, so the correct answer is 1. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.